It's one of my favorite sweets, which I make for festivals and occasions to share with family and friends. And this is really mouth-watering good. Here is a simple recipe to prepare these sweets at home. So let's make. Sift the gram flour into a large bowl to remove any lumps. This ensures a smooth batter. Add a pinch of orange food color to the batter. Slowly add water to the flour while stirring continuously to make a smooth, lump-free batter. The batter should have a flowing consistency but should not be too thin. The batter should easily flow through the piping bag. If it's too thick, add a little more water. If too thin, add some more gram flour. Take a clean plastic bag. Cut a small hole about the size of a pencil tip in one corner of the bag to allow the batter to drip through. It should be small enough to create tiny droplets of batter. Heat oil in a deep frying pan over medium heat. The oil should be medium temperature but not too hot. Gently squeeze the bag so that tiny droplets of batter fall into the oil through the hole you cut. Fry for about 30 to 40 seconds until they are just cooked but still soft, should not be crispy. You can see how perfect is this. In a pan, mix 500 gram sugar and 250 milliliter water. Stir over medium heat until the sugar dissolves. Then add cardamom powder, orange food color, red food color, and rose water. Boil the sugar syrup until it reaches thick, almost one string consistency. Once all the boondi is fried, add it to the warm sugar syrup. Continue to cook for 4 to 5 minutes, then add melon seeds and clarified butter. Mix everything and cover the pan and let the soak in the syrup for about 10 to 15 minutes, allowing it to absorb the sweetness. While the mixture is still warm, take small portions and shape them into round by pressing the mixture tightly between your palms. Let them cool down at room temperature so they firm up. Now your favorite sweet ready. Enjoy.